We just picked up 2 brand new Toyotas, and over the next 52 weeks, we're turning both of these trucks into fully built out rigs. Welcome to the Mod Marathon. This is the Mod Marathon, where for 52 weeks, we're gonna do 1 mod a week. Every week, we'll hit both of these trucks with the exact same mod, give you all the details and show you how to do it. The vision for these trucks includes lift, wheels, tires, chrome delete, lighting, paint match parts. The whole exterior and interior are gonna completely change, starting with our first mod next week. But until we get there, we're doing something big on our website. We're doing 10% off the whole website to celebrate the launch of this Mod Marathon. And then following that, every week we'll discount that mod for that week. You're gonna wanna come back, check out what we're doing so you can get deals on these mods. So we were able to get both of these rigs at invoice, almost $12,000 in savings between the two of these off of MSRP. This isn't something that is exclusive to Rave because we have these relationships. Anyone can walk in and negotiate down to invoice based on the market at the time and what kind of inventory the dealer's sitting on. We tend to like to purchase in February or January. This is when dealers are experiencing the lowest numbers of the year. This Sequoia we picked up in February. It's already got 2,000 miles on it. The Tundra's a little newer, only has about 200 miles on it. So shout out to Brock DeLuca here at Orem Toyota and Trevor George out of Family Toyota of Burleson, Texas. These two guys are awesome to work with. If you're in the Texas or Utah area or even out of state, you can save money by getting a good dealer out of state and either picking it up yourself or having it shipped. So for the next 7 days, make sure to use code MODMARATHON. That's gonna get you 10% off the whole website. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next week.